Hey everyone, let's be real. We all have insecurities, right? Whether it's about our height, jawline, hair, or something else, we've all looked in the mirror and thought, I wish this was different. I've been there too, and I know it's not easy. So today, let's dive into some real practical tips to not only deal with these insecurities, but also embrace what makes us us. Height. Let's start with height. If you're shorter or taller than what society deems ideal, it can be tough. People can make comments, and sometimes it feels like everyone's got an opinion. But here's the truth. Your height doesn't define your worth. Embrace good posture, dress in ways that make you feel confident, and focus on what you bring to the table beyond physical appearance. Confidence is contagious, and it often outweighs anything physical. I know it's easier said than done, but the key is to own it. Show up as your authentic self, and people will start seeing you for who you are, not how tall you are. Jawline. Next, let's talk about the jawline. Society's obsession with sharp jawlines can make people feel inadequate. But here's a hack. Facial exercises and reducing sodium in your diet can help enhance your jawline naturally. That being said, don't let the shape of your face define your self-worth. Practice smiling more, showing confidence. That's way more attractive than a chiseled jawline alone. Hair. Some of us have a love-hate relationship with it, right? Whether it's thin, frizzy, or graying, there's always something. But here's the thing, investing in hair care can make a big difference. Finding a routine that works for you, whether that's a specific shampoo or just embracing your natural texture, can boost your confidence. But remember, hair is just one small part of your overall look. If you're feeling good about it, people will notice your vibe, not every strand. I know this sounds simple, but believe me, accepting your natural hair texture or rocking a style that suits you can take the pressure off trying to look a certain way. Now, hygiene isn't just about physical appearance. It's about self-respect. Keeping yourself clean, smelling good, and looking fresh can massively boost your confidence. And the great part, it's entirely within your control. Small habits like flossing, moisturizing, and wearing clean clothes can make you feel on top of the world. When you feel clean and put together, it's easier to face the world. Plus, it's a big confidence boost, knowing you're taking care of yourself. Skin. Now let's talk about skin. Skin can be a sensitive subject, especially if you're dealing with acne, scars, or pigmentation. First, know that you're not alone. So many people struggle with their skin. Start by building a routine that works for your skin type, and be patient with the results. And remember, clear skin isn't the only kind of beautiful. People are often drawn to personality way more than perfection. Lastly, weight and body shape. We're all built differently, and no one's body is better than another. Focus on what feels healthy for you. Try to exercise regularly, not to change who you are, but to feel good in your skin. Nourishing your body and moving in ways you enjoy can really boost confidence. And remember, a confident attitude is far more memorable than any number on the scale. I know it's easier said than done, but loving your body as it is right now is the ultimate power move. Final thoughts. So what's the takeaway here? We all have insecurities, but they don't have to run your life. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, amplify what you do have. Embrace your unique features, practice self-care, and own your confidence. Because at the end of the day, confidence is the most attractive thing you can wear. Thanks so much for watching. If you related to any of this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And remember, you're amazing just the way you are. I'll see you in the next video.